Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters with Wix. Repeaters are a powerful feature that let you display multiple items in a consistent layout, perfect for showcasing products, team members, or portfolio pieces. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from here, click on Website. This takes you to the main website management area where you can access all your site's core settings. From here, you can see the website settings available. Make sure that this is the website you wish to use a repeater on. It's important to confirm you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects under one account. Now on this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll find it on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Click on it to open up the full editor where you can make visual changes to your site. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the design magic happens. From here, locate the plus add element button and click on it. An expanded menu will appear with various content options. From this menu, select Interactive. Under the Interactive section, you'll see the Repeaters menu, so go ahead and click on it. Repeaters are listed here because they allow dynamic, interactive content displays. You will be presented with several types of repeaters that you can customize. Browse through the available options and choose one that suits your business needs. Whether you're displaying blog posts, testimonials, or image galleries, there's a layout designed for it. Once you've selected your preferred repeater style, drag it onto your website canvas. Position it where you want it to appear on your page. To customize each repeater, simply click on the text element to edit. You can change the wording, font, and size to match your branding. You can also adjust the item background once you've entered the editing mode. This lets you control colors, images, or patterns behind each repeater item, ensuring everything looks cohesive and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a repeater on your Wix site, giving you a clean and scalable way to display multiple content items. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.